joined FIITJEE's weekend classes in class 8. It provided me an exposure to the kind of problems asked in competitive exams. In class 9, I decided to opt for FIITJEE World School. The learning methodology, learning tools, and faculty support were excellent. The approach towards exam preparation was quite systematic with tests conducted every week. The error analysis system helped me identify and improve upon weak areas. The workbooks are very well designed, offering a wide variety of problems. Even when the lockdown began, FIITJEE was swift to shift to the online mode. I'm really grateful to have such mentors who were available 24/7. Under their guidance, I was able to perform well in NTSC, KVPY, JEE Main, and JEE Advanced. The credit also goes to my family for maintaining a conducive ambience at home. Thank you.